And the more I learned the problem was that they were being drowned in shrimp nets in the Gulf of Mexico and at their nesting beach where most of them nest, which is in Mexico on the northeast beach on the Gulf, that people were taking all their eggs and eating them and selling them and all that. So between the two problems, the eggs being taken and the turtles, the adults being drowned in the south of the Gulf, we were in dire straits. And about 85, I guess, the number of adult nesters at the beach in Mexico it was just in the hundreds. It was very close to being extinct and not having enough turtles to continue the species. So probably the greatest thing that I did in all of this is build public awareness, because people did not know about the turtle. They didn't know about the species. They didn't know what trouble it was in. They didn't know what was causing the problem. And so this is really where I started with education. And children love to raise the money for the turtle food, and this spread to other schools very rapidly because I was a volunteer. The money that was raised bought the food or bought educational materials and went directly to saving the turtles. No middleman, no overhead, nothing. It was directly to the turtles. So this got bigger and bigger and bigger, and we called any school that raised, maybe $25. They were a heart council, and I issued homemade nice little certificate. So we got to the point that we had 200 heart councils all over the United States, and we had one at an American school in Saudi Arabia. So wow. That was very interesting. And all of this, I have to remind myself, I did not have a computer. All of this, all of the writing, all of the letters, everything else was on a typewriter. So, and then get copies made at a store or something. But I did not have the internet that I have, today. So over the years, we raised way over $100,000 from donations from individuals and kids and a few companies. We bought the turtle food for way over 10 years. We bought, they needed at the Galveston lab, they needed a PA system, an answering machine, electronic scale. We bought that. We raised $40,000 to build a new turtle house down there. And there, of course, the camp in Mexico received very little money from the Mexican government, the nesting turtle camp down there. So we were able to buy them a generator, 4-wheel ATVs, and what else? A Zodiac, a boat and a motor, and all sorts of things for them. We also helped a couple of students, one at A&M at College Station, and just worked very hard to get this story into the media and into every place that we could get it.